Picture this: a factory floor, bustling with activity. But something feels off. Overproduction, wasted resources, and chaos reign. Enter just-in-time, or JIT, a revolutionary concept that changes the game. Just-in-time is about making things as they are needed. No more, no less. It's a strategy that streamlines production, minimizes waste, and boosts efficiency. But how does it work? First, let's consider inventory. Traditional methods stockpile materials. This ties up cash and space. JIT flips this. It calls for receiving materials only when necessary. This means reduced storage costs and improved cash flow. Next, focus on suppliers. JIT relies on strong supplier relationships. Suppliers deliver exactly what's needed, right when it's needed. This requires clear communication and trust, ensuring production runs smoothly. Now, we move to production schedules. JIT demands precise timing. Each stage of production is synced to meet demand. This synchronization prevents bottlenecks and keeps the workflow seamless. Imagine you're a car manufacturer. You only receive parts when they are about to be used on the assembly line. No extra parts mean no waste. Plus, assembly lines run faster without delays. Let's look at a small cafe. By using JIT, they order pastries fresh every morning. This means they sell out, never waste food, and keep customers happy with fresh offerings. In summary, just-in-time streamlines production, reduces inventory costs, and enhances efficiency. It's about having what you need, when you need it. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your business processes, consider adopting JIT. Embrace efficiency and boost your bottom line. Start implementing just-in-time today.